Hey everyone, it's Smoke-Eyed. I apologize if it's going to be a little windy in this video and it's a little bit shaky. I am currently in Japan at Fudodo Beach. I think that's what it's called. I'll show you my view. It's like one of the many beaches down this coastline. But anyways, so this video is about my last tattoo appointment out of anything. So it was literally 2 weeks ago. So this session, it was a little bit more stressful than the rest. I learned that the more stressed you are, the more it hurts. Because this one I couldn't really sit still. And he was like, oh, well, stress plays a big part in it. Literally, this one was just all touch-ups. It was all just like touching up the background in the purple because it didn't stay as well. And it didn't really stay well again. So it's kind of frustrating. Another thing that he did this time, like he did last time, was the Band-Aid. It's supposed to keep the ink in because I have a problem with the ink falling out. But if anything, it just makes it a little bit more infected if it breaks. And then if it does break, you're kind of screwed. It also gets really gross after a while, and it's not my favorite thing in the world. Ripping it off is even more painful than the tattoo itself, so I don't know how I feel about it. So this is what it looks like now, but at least it's a little more purple because he did it twice. Sorry if I look so ratted. I'm just like having a nice beach day alone. And I don't really care what I look like right now. Like, I'm not trying to impress anybody, but I guess I should have really done a better job if I was going to be filming. But I didn't even expect to be filming today. I don't even have my tripod. I think I'm coming up to my last session soon as well. Here, I'll face this way. Just because there's really not much left to do with this sleeve. I just wish I chose to do the tattoo day another day and not right before everything was happening. Other than that, I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the sunset by myself. Maybe eat food later. There's another view of the beautiful ocean right out at the Pacific. I actually walked all the way down there. It was like a half an hour walk, and then I came all the way back here. I've been here since like 1 p.m. and it's now almost 6. So, I don't know. It's been a while. I'm really enjoying it though. Much needed day at the beach. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed the view this time. It's a lot better than the bedroom, but yeah. Anyways, enjoy your day.